Hey y'all, so it is Friday, March 20th. I am really not interested in trading none of this price action. Price is at this trend line. We also hit this trend line, came down, and now we're here. Looks like we want to break, but I would need price to break and hold. So far, and really it would have to be here because that's the last time price was in this area. Anyways, yeah, we need price to break, hold, and then continue if I want to trade for more sells. But if price can't do that, I would need price to start breaking structure back to the upside, potentially breaking this area of resistance. If it does not, it's already 12. Well, almost 12. I really came on here because I wasn't able to record. I wasn't able to record my trades all week. The first time I did, don't know what happened to the footage. It was one of these trades. And then the second time I did, which was yesterday, it wasn't even this strategy. And it was basically because of price action. So yeah, let's go through our top-down analysis. So far, today's candle is really bearish. So price do want to continue, but anything can happen. So on the 4 hour, like I said, we are at this trend line. We got a rejection. I don't know. So we got a high, we got a low, we got a lower high, we got a lower low. And then for this breaker structure on the 1 hour, this would be the zone up here. I'm going to mark that just in case that's important. The potential of us taking a trade today is probably minimum. Probably very low. I won't even lie. This is not, I don't want to be a part of this if it's not a clean break or a clean bounce. And I see neither. But I will leave this here just in case I'm on here and price does something. So we got a 1 hour supply zone. Price could come up here and tap, but let's see. On the 30-minute, see, look at that. Rejection. There's some heavy rejection in this area. So it looks like price is squeezing between here and here, trying to decide, because once it breaks, price can continue up, but then we have this zone here to continue back down. This whole area, there's nothing clean here. I would prefer the breaker structure to the downside if I wanted sales to continue, or a breaker structure here. And let me just make this cleaner. Yeah, in order to catch a clean trade. So if I don't get either of that, there is no trade. So until then, we could really see, yeah, price is just, I don't even know what that is. Price don't even know what it's doing at this point. But let's review the trades from earlier this week. So what day would that have been? Let's see. What was Monday? 5 days ago, the 15th. Let's just start from the 15th. Or the 16th, actually. Yeah, let's start from the 16th. Because I think I already posted Mondays, which was here. Okay, yeah. So, we have our previous high here. we needed a break in structure in order for us to price to indicate to us it wanted to continue to push higher. We got the break in structure here from this candle. That created a demand zone here. In order for us to have entered into this trade, we would need a tap or price to correct back to the zone. Price did correct back to the zone. It started pushing out, or it closed outside of the zone because price opened here and then closed. It tapped and then closed here. So I got in at the close and then I aimed for a 1-1. So that was this trade. I'm going to post what I made this day on the 16th. I'll post it. So that's what I made this day. And then, so now I can delete this. And then, let's see. The 17th, that was, so the 16th was Tuesday. Wednesday, I don't think I placed a trade at all. But let's check. I think Tuesday was the day I lost the footage. Wednesday, I don't think I traded at all because price action. Yeah. And at this point, this is now what, the 18th, which was what? Thursday? No. The 16th was Monday. Tuesday, I lost. Okay, yeah, Tuesday I didn't trade. I didn't like price action Tuesday. Wednesday is the day. It's the 18th. So, let's see if I placed a trade for Wednesday. I need to start putting the days on here too so I can remember. So, yes, I did place a trade on Wednesday. So, let's see. No. Monday, y'all, I don't remember the dates, okay? I don't. But I know on the 8th, so that was the 16th. I didn't place a trade on the 17th. The 18th, coming into the market, it was a down. Coming into the market, it was a downtrend. Price started, once the market opened, price literally did this. This right here, this was price action once market opened. So as soon as I seen the break of this pattern, that indicated to me the sellers were in control. The strong selling candle. Price ended up creating a zone and getting a small, it was a tiny breaker structure, y'all. The tiniest breaker structure. But that was enough for me. So I created my zone. And once price tapped and momentum started coming out, pushing past this previous low, I entered the trade and I got out for a 1-1. So that was this trade. And then yesterday, did I trade yesterday? No, I did not. I did trade yesterday. Oh, yesterday's price action was trash. This trade, I did a totally different method of trading. So let's see if I can remember, because I did just delete that resistance line that was somewhere here. And I know that was part of it. So if we zoom out, you can see that there isn't. Sorry. You can see that there isn't really any like actual direction of a trade. Like we have a high, we have low, we have a lower high, we have a higher low, we have a higher high, then we have a lower low. So price wasn't really giving us a direction today. Originally, it started off with sales, so I knew I wanted to take us. 1 second. I knew I wanted to take a sell trade, but we did get a push, a higher high, which I didn't like. But then we got this crazy rejecting candle. It's not that crazy, but it was crazy enough. So that told me sellers were in control. Once I seen that, why did I get in this trade? Let me remember. I was probably sitting in a zone or something. Hold on, let me try to remember. Price came down. Because market open. I had a zone right here. I remember this. Before market open, I had my zone. Yes, that's what happened. I was waiting for market to open. Market opened on this candle, which was too far from the zone for me. So I wanted to see if price was going to give us a new zone. It ended up coming back all the way up here. And I was like, okay, if it doesn't invalidate and it ends up closing outside the zone, I'll get in. And that's exactly what happened. It did not invalidate. This candle this candle, like I said, was a strong, like seller stepped in on this candle. It was a strong rejection candle. So once I saw the momentum continuing for sellers, I hopped in for a 1-to-1, and that was that trade. I'll put what I made for this trade right here. So that's that. This was yesterday, I think. What was this? Yes, this was yesterday's trade. And then let's see what's going on today, which was nothing, but let's see. Still nothing, of course. I would like for price to come back up here and either invalidate or continue downwards, but it's not looking like a trade day today. Like, I'd rather just save our profits. We did build the account so far to 5K, which is really good. We're on the way to 10K, and once we hit 10K, I will be trading my live account. I'm actually glad I did not trade my live account at all this month, because the price action was pretty nasty. It wasn't consistent. It wasn't clean. A lot of heartbreaks or heartache sitting in pullbacks and stuff like that. So it actually worked out. I have a teething baby, y'all, so yeah. Hold on. The sellers want to step in so bad, but never come back to the zone. I'm genuinely so annoyed. Finally got the breaker structure. Got a new zone. If it want to be respected at this point, because it's not giving respect today at all. No respect. None. This is tiny zone. So hopefully this tiny zone can give us something before the day is over. Shoot, let me look on the 1 minute. No. Tap me in. What are we doing? Tap us in. I'm getting aggressive. This look like an aggressive type of just get in.
Girl, come on.
Oh, I missed the tap. Wow. I didn't even see that. Come back. One more time. Closer. Closer. Oh, this is close enough. There it is. Okay, I'm in. Wow, that was like heart-wrenching. Don't do nothing disrespectful, please. The zone is only 22 points. I'll take that. Okay. Whoa. That's an ugly candle on a 5 minute. Jesus. Well, I don't know. I'm going to stay on the 1 minute. I'm going to stay on the 1 minute. We got the tap, so hopefully we can get the close outside the zone and just flush and let this day be over with. New 5 minute candle. Oops. Scoop this over because it thinks I'm in here and I'm not. I was just about to say, I think I'm about to go ahead and secure profits. I don't want to get into the red. And it looks like price just does not want to push lower than this resistance. Let's see where this candle closed. I mean, it really doesn't matter. Price looks like it wants to reverse anyways. Mm. Mm. Yeah, let me secure my profits. I'm not too sure what price wants to do. But I secured my profits. What did we make? At least we hit a 101. We made 200. I was hoping we could break structure. I might take one more trade today. I do feel like price really wants to break this trend line. I would like to be a part of it. I might do a... Yeah, price definitely wants to break. And I definitely want to be a part of it. I got in again. Price is going to break. I'll do it back to the zone. I I got out of this one already. I got out, oops. I got out here. It says I'm in profit, so this is wrong. Do it back to the zone. I feel like price can break. Keeps rejecting this. It keeps rejecting. Price is pushing lower. It just keeps rejecting. I don't know, y'all. I'm in this one, though. This should be the candle. This should be the candle, y'all. I hope it is. Come on, sellers. All I got is 5 contracts. Y'all gotta help. My 5 contracts ain't gonna do nothing for y'all. There it is. I keep saying that, then it rejects, so let me not say that. I need a money run like it was this morning. Please, just run. Mind you, we on a money run. Come on. There we go. We got one more structure to break. Come on. I think we about to break it, y'all. Yes, please. Now just run it up. The sellers ain't on a money run. That's the problem. Oh, okay. Maybe I need to keep talking junk. Maybe you gotta make them act right. Melt. What are we doing? Melt. We need all that. All that time we was waiting, we need all that. We need all that. We've been waiting for this. Over an hour we waited. We need a melt. Run through it. You should already be on my... this is just a 1-to-1. I should have already been out. Part of me want to even stay just because we in this area now. I've been wanting to be in this area for weeks. Oh my gosh, we finally here. And look how slow I want to go. Like, please. Get over yourself. Just melt already. There it is. There it is. $300, that's good. Oh, there it is. There it is. Come on. Man, I should have got out. Let me see what this one to do. Now I'm just in here for play. Because now we in this area. Now how Price want to act? Don't do that. Yeah, go test that. Go test that resistance. I won't mind. I wouldn't mind at all. Because we got the clothes. We've been waiting on this clothes for days, y'all. Look at this. What? We haven't gotten this close in days. We finally got the clothes under this resistance. So basically what Price will do from here is test this resistance. And if we get that hold, we should melt. I'm not going to say melt like that because we do have a resistance right there. But if we can hold this trend line, we should be able to stay under for sales. So let's see what it's talking about. Yeah, there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. I'm good. I don't need to be in this long. I'm really good. But there it is. There it is. Ah! Wow, y'all. Wow. And wow, I wasn't even in what you call it that long. 1 to 3. I was not in drawdown that long at all. At all. Look at it. Look at it. I should have stayed. I always do that. What we made? Let's see. We ended the week with 6K, y'all. Look at us. Look at us. We was patient. We waited for this. It has so much room. Well, it doesn't, but it does. Like, it could really go for here. We can really find one more entry. We really could. Is that doing too much? It's Friday. I'm feeling it. Do I want to save my profits or Because the faster we get to 10K, the faster I can start doing this on my live account. Hold on. Let me think, y'all. Hold on. Okay. I'm going to take a snack break, and then I'm going to come back because I said I was giving the market till 3, and it's only 1:37. And we can see if we find one more trade. We did one trade, and then we did this trade. So the market was real ugly today. It burst out as soon as market opened here. And then this was it for the remainder of the day. We finally got that break that we needed. So I kind of want to save my profits. But let me go get a snack, see how I'm feeling when I get back. And yeah. Okay, I'm back. So, we got a pullback, which is good. In order for us to get in a trade, we would need a break of structure. Hold on, let me look at everything. We definitely got the hold under this resistance, so that's good. We could get in on the 1 minute right now, actually. Actually, I like a little 1 minute trade. Those be eating too. May or may not. Let's try it out. a little 1 minute. Oh, I didn't even make the zone. I didn't even make the zone. The zone is pretty big, actually. And it closed in. Who told me to do that? Who told me to do that? A quick little 1-to-1. So let's see. Let's see how this works out. Get my screen recorder ready. See, the 1 minute. Let me not get too excited. Let me let it do something. All right, we're good. We are good. That was our third trade, y'all. Yeah, I like that. I like that. We turned this Friday out nice. We took 3 trades, which was fun. It wasn't at all sitting through all of that. This trade would have been a lot bigger if I would have held it to here, but this candle kind of freaked me out. Plus, I've been sitting in all this all day. I just wanted clean price action. Now, this one can go a lot further because remember, on the 5 minute, we're still waiting on a break of structure, which hasn't happened yet. So, on the 5 minute, that's still cooking up. But we did break the trend line. We are getting some holds. So that's really good. Our next resistance or support isn't until down here. So hopefully by Monday, it's looking a little, yeah, I like how this looks on the higher time frames. We got the break, we got the hold, we got the retest. This looks good. So hopefully Monday, we could really get something. But yeah, that's it, y'all. We got the trade. This trade is done, so let me not say that. Then they just came back, tapped the zone again. So yeah, that one's cooking up. We made $757 today. Sheesh. Who we feeling like? Who we feeling like? Mind you, we on a money run. All right, y'all. Okay, because the teething baby is awake. So I will see you guys on Monday. Hopefully price action is a lot cleaner next week. I am going to put out, you should see this video today, the day that I'm recording it. But you also should see part 4 of the mini series if you're following along. That I'm gonna go deeper into the actual strategy, so just keep a lookout for that. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm really waiting for this to cook up because we have so much room. I know I need to get off the charts because now I'm just over trading. 3 trades in a day is actually diabolical. It's not, but it is for me. So because my rules is 3, but that's only if like one of my trades don't go well and I want to make up for it. All my trades hit, so why am I still trading? Exactly. But I'm not gonna lie. I would like to see this play out. I just like calling out trades. I really love calling out trades. Hello? Let me see. If we get this break of structure, yeah, the 1 minute is eating. This 1 minute zone is eating. Oh my gosh. I just know the 5 minute. Okay, let me get off. I'll see y'all Monday. Bye.